If you travel even a little bit and you're planning to shop Prime Day, stop scrolling for 3 minutes because I rounded up 99 Amazon travel products I actually bought, still use, or would happily recommend. Hi, I'm Jess of Okea's Family Travels, and I have no idea if every single one of these items is going to be on sale. But there's a pretty good chance a lot of them will be listed, so I figured I'd save you from falling into the endless doom scroll of questionable gadgets. This isn't one of those videos where I spend 10 minutes explaining a luggage tag. We're doing the quick and dirty version. If you've seen my videos before, I've talked about all of these things multiple times. In fact, if you're in a hurry, just hit the link in the description box below and skip the video altogether. All right, let's go. So, if you're already making a Prime Day shopping list, do yourself a favor and check out the full list. Even if only a fraction of these things ends up on sale, you might save yourself some money and maybe a little travel-induced chaos. And one quick favor, if you're going to shop Amazon anyway and need travel gear, please hit the link to my Amazon storefront before you buy. Using that link helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more wildly to mildly sarcastic but practical travel tips. Safe travels, and may your suitcase always be under the weight limit. Thanks for watching.